Namaskara, friends. Why should girls have all the fun? Anta? Today I started one diet to lose some extra inches. That's what they say. Some special things these girls are doing, like calorie deficit diet, keto challenge, ante, something and all they are doing. I thought I should also do it because for them it is working. So, girls, tell me one thing in the comment box. This diet meaning waiting for your next cheat day, huh? Because that's what I'm doing. Today was my first day of diet and also my first cheat day. And all I'm doing is waiting for my next cheat day, which could be tomorrow also. So, girls, I think this is not working for me. But you girls are doing it very well, I don't know. So, if possible, kindly help because all I can think about is junk food now.